everybody, Holli here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holli drinking today? Well, Valentine's Day is coming, so I wanted to come up with a tart and a sweet but very red cocktail to have on Valentine's Day. So, lychees. We all love lychees. I think we love lychees. I don't remember where I even had lychees, maybe a Chinese restaurant or something, but they're yummy and then we forget about them. So I got some lychees. So we're gonna start with lychees. We're gonna take 3 little lychees along with their syrup. They come with syrup in the aluminum, the can, and just put that in there. We're gonna give them a quick muddle. They don't have a ton of flavor, but they've got very, very just unique and soft flavor, I guess you could say. But they definitely need something more than just all by themselves. They'd be kind of wimpy by themselves. So to that lychee, we're gonna go ahead and add some cranberry juice, unsweetened. Then we're gonna add some tangerine for a hit of citrus. Then we're gonna add some hair of the dog vodka. We like hair of the dog because some of their profits go back to animal rescue, which is wonderful as far as we're concerned. You can feel good drinking it. It's super, super smooth. Okay, put this guy over here. Then let's get ourselves some ice. I can smell the lychee. It definitely has a lovely scent. Okay. Put the lid on real good. Give it a shake. Okay, I've got my gorgeous black crystal glass. I dried some tangerine slices in my oven. I'm gonna add that as a nice little garnish. Now, since it's got the lychees in it, and they're a little bit chunky, I'm gonna go ahead and use this kind of a strainer, okay? Otherwise, they're gonna get stuck in the little holes. Now, perfectly pinky red for Valentine's. Little tart, little sweet. Just like you wanna be on Valentine's, right? Little tart, little sweet. So let's give it a taste. Tart and sweet. And the lychee comes through just as the essence of lychee. Give this one a try. It's easy breezy.